Today's the day.
We're taking the boat out by ourselves.
We didn't say which boat. However, let's go back and share how we got here.
We do have our captain coming today, so we are getting out on the water. Solomon's is just begging to be seen by water. And you know what's been coming. Check it out. Look at me now. We did. Fingers crossed that our letters are actually gonna make it, because they're not here yet. Okay, now Captain Mark is on his way, so we need to finish getting this boat ready.
I think that I have been in this engine room more than I've been in my own bed so far. But besides that, the good news is that we have found a captain that actually lives at Spring Cove Marina, so that's incredibly convenient for us. The captain's going to be here with us, but he says he's going to be fully hands off, so we're taking off at least one training wheel today.
Nicely done. All was going well, and it really was a beautiful day on the water. And then we started hearing this noise only when our port engine was in reverse. The good news is it wasn't coming from the engine room. The bad news is we've got to figure out what it is. Here's the sound. I'm going to play it once in real time and then once slowed down.
Oh, boat life. Well, good thing we have a second boat. So all is not lost, but let's see if Megan's up for it. Hey, love. This is not a bad view, is it?
That's my favorite view.
Would you look to go on a dinner date with me?
Me?
Yes. We'll take the car.
We'll take the car. Of course.
We don't have a car.
Come check out the car. It's this way, out the back door. The car.
Can't wait to name it.
She also has a name, and she's also getting renamed. Yeah. Oh, and guess what I got? Our decal shipped. Looks like we'll have a renaming after all.
Safety first. It may not look cool in our life jackets, but it's our first time taking our car out. So. Either this has gotten smaller or I've gotten bigger.
That's nice to wear this one.
Yeah, how cool do I look?
I'm like a superhero.
Oh. All right.
Prepping the car looks a little different now.
It does, it does. I'm going backwards.
Turning us around. Ooh, she's got a kick. We're taking the dinghy out!
We are out on the water. One way or another, I was going to get out on the water today.
Excuse me, sir, do you know where we're going?
Where we're going, we don't need roads. It's getting choppy.
Woo! I feel like I'm on a rodeo bull.
Yeah, a little bit of a washing machine out here. Will we make it back is the question. I think we can make it there. We're almost behind this island.
It's questionable for a second.
It was. All right, let's see where we can pull up here.
How would you rate docking the dinghy for the first time?
A 1 out of 10.
Well, there's only room for improvement, then.
Yep, exactly. Yeah. How you feeling? Is that a bowline?
No.
Did you just tie lots of knots?
I tied one knot that seems to be strong. Yeah,
All right,
let's go eat.
Let's go check this restaurant out.
Hopefully we don't have to sprint down the dock mid-dinner. Will you all watch our boat for us? Coolest checkbook ever. Safety first. Secured you, secured me, and now we need to secure the dessert.
Oof. Oof.
It's important. Wow.
Redeemed ourselves. We made it out a lot better than we made it in. So I give us a, what, 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10?
Ooh, yeah.
The sea has calmed down, so that's good. And we're gonna try to beat the sunset.
Island Hideaway.
Pretty good place to eat. Fighter jets.
Home's that way. At least the current home. Our home can move. Please ignore the electrical hazard that's on the back of our boat. Andrew is probably going to fix it tonight because he's going to be upset that it's in this video.
Yeah. Got to grab this side. Lassoed us in. So how did you like your first dinner date on the water?
I like this better than the car.
Hey, that's a good start. You gonna share?
It was my wedding vows to share my dessert. Ooh. I'll share with you all too.
Well, we are going to enjoy this, what looks like to be a very delicious piece of cake. And tomorrow,
hopefully we have our name decal and we can do the big name reveal for you. It's going to be exciting and it'll come faster for you than it will for us.
Now that's good night.
Good morning. We've got a breakfast delivery for Andrew, but he says that he's finding treasures up here. Let's see what it is. What'd you find?
I found a bike. That was not in the listing at all.
Sweet.
I didn't even pay attention to this bag. I thought it was like a life raft or something. Or look what else I found. Not the anchor. Over here. The gas grill, brand new as well. New bike, new grill. However, I have no idea where we're gonna put it because this is enclosed isinglass. So let me know if you have any ideas on where we could put it.
Well, I know treasure hunting wasn't Andrew's full to-do list today, so let's see what was actually on his agenda.
It's going well. Yeah, it's getting rid of all of these cords as quickly as possible because this is driving me crazy and probably a potential fire hazard. We have the storage on the boat. It's just a matter of untangling it all and getting it up there. Second thing that we're doing is our diver canceled this morning on us. So you're looking at your new diver. As you saw yesterday, we got something potentially wrapped around the prop, so we had to come in early. So I'm going to take a GoPro, shove it under the boat, hopefully be able to see what's going on there. If not, maybe going in, or maybe taking a bet. Rock, paper, scissors, Megan?
With this cord part?
Well, you're connecting this to that end.
Oh. That. Done. Okay. You feeling better about it?
Take a look. Yes. Much better. Okay, got rid of some extra cord here. The swim platform looks a lot better. I'm gonna trip on myself and fall in, or get tangled up in wires and drown. I'm just trying to get to the dinghy.
Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that. Next up, Andrew's diving.
I'll play rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Ah!
Woo! Andrew's diving.
This is not what I had planned today.
Well, maybe you'll find everything you need with just the GoPro.
I'm trying to do everything I can to not go in the water because it's really, really cold.
Here? Yeah, I guess. All right, what you got here?
All right, boat hook, GoPro. Let's see if this works, and let's see if I don't lose my GoPro.
Okay, so give us the debrief on what you think that footage means.
The good news is that I don't think I have to go under there now. The bad news is that it could be something worse because I didn't see anything tied around the prop or wrapped around the prop. So, yeah.
Okay, let's head over to the ship store and see if we got any mail, aka our decals. And then we have our next step for the prop situation underneath the boat. This is clearly not decals. Well, we'll get back to that because we have a person to see about a boat. We got good news.
Well, good news was nothing catastrophic, just the line cutter had slipped back. Yeah, that's the sound. Not too bad, not too costly. That's what we like to hear.
Well, this sticker decal company was not on our video timeline.
Nope. Guess they didn't get the memo.
We're obviously still doing the name reveal, so make sure to come join us next week. Tracking confirmed. That will be happening. And of course, we have chosen the giveaway winner. Thank you all for such fun names. We're almost like questioning.
I know. Megan, I was like, they're so much more creative than us. Like, you're just, yeah, there were some great names. And we will tag or reach out to the winner in last week's comments, let you know, and then also show it here on the screen of the winner. All right, congratulations.
So while we wait for our sticker to get here and get to work on attaching that, we'll see you next time, and we hope you enjoyed this day in the life on the water with us.